Answer are present at the end of video, so watch video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry Nails. Thank you. Chapter 4. Gases. 1. When an electric current is passed through neon gas, it produces ETEA 2018-35 Eng. A. Plasma. B. Light. C. Both plasma and light. D. Plasma, light, sound. 2. The collision of the gas molecules with the wall of the container is responsible for gaseous pressure. According to van der Waals after pressure correction, which gas will exert more pressure if temperature is kept constant? ETEA 2018-101 Eng. A. Real gas. B. Ideal gas. C. Non-ideal gas. D. All exert same pressure. 3. Atmospheric pressure is measured by ETEA 2018-88 Eng. A. Hygrometer. B. Barometer. C. Pyrometer. D. Spherometer. 4. Regarding liquefaction of gases, the highest temperature at a fixed pressure of ETEA 2018-155 Eng. A. SO. B. NH. C. Cl. D. CO. 5. The equation used to describe the behavior of ideal gases under standard conditions. ETEA 2018-73 Med, Paper D. A. PV equals nRT. B. PM equals DRT. C. PVM equals MRT. D. All of the above. 6. An unknown gas diffuses 5 times slower than that of H. The molecular mass of the unknown gas is ETEA 2018-192 Med, Paper D. A. 50. B. 10. C. 15. D. 25. Here is the next page of MCQs from your image, converted to text format starting from question 7, i.e., Q267 onwards. 7. If absolute temperature of the gas is doubled and pressure is increased 4 times, then the volume becomes ETEA 2015-96 Med. A. Half. B. Double. C. 4 times. D. Unchanged. 8. At what temperature both Fahrenheit and Celsius scales coincide? ETEA 2010-34 Eng. A. -30 degrees Celsius. B. -40 degrees Celsius. C. -50 degrees Celsius. D. -273 degrees Celsius. 9. Which thermodynamic parameter remains constant when equal volumes of gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure contains same number of particles? ETEA 2010-119 Eng. A. Gay-Lussac. B. Curie. C. Dalton. D. None of the above. 10. At constant temperature, if the volume of a given mass of gas is doubled, then the density of the gas becomes ETEA 2011-92, ETEA 2007-37 Med. A. Double. B. 1/2. C. 1/4. D. 4 times. 11. In a closed room of 1000 cubic meters, a perfume bottle is opened up. The room develops smell. This is due to which property of gases? ETEA 2007-63 Med. A. Diffusion. B. Viscosity. C. Density. D. None of the above. 12. A bottle of dry HCl and a bottle of dry NH are connected through a long tube or open simultaneously at both ends. The white NHCl ring for Med will be ETEA 2007-89 Med. A. Near the NH bottle. B. Near the HCl bottle. C. Near the center. D. Throughout the length of the tube. 13. Rate of diffusion of NH is 1.6 times faster than CO. The correct form of the rate law equation. A. B. C. D. None of these. 14. If a single balloon is filled with equal volumes of hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, and neon, which gas will be depleted first? ETEA 2007-23 Med. A. Helium. B. Hydrogen. C. Nitrogen. D. Neon. 15. Consider an equation. N_2 plus O_2 right arrow 2NO. ETEA 2006-17. A. 0.05. B. 0.25. C. 0.78. D. 1.00. 16. A mixture of 50 grams H and 50 grams He has a total pressure of 1.5 atmospheres. What is the partial pressure of hydrogen in the mixture? ETEA 2008-26. A. 1.0 atmospheres. B. 0.5 atmospheres. C. 0.75 atmospheres. D. 1.25 atmospheres. 17. Why does an ideal gas exert pressure on its container? ETEA 2012-62 Eng. A. The molecules of gas collide continually. B. The molecules of gas collide inelastically. C. The molecules of the gas collide continually with the walls of the container. D. The weight of gas exerts a force on the walls of the container. 18. 40.0 cubic decimeters of an ideal gas at 25 degrees Celsius and 750 millimeters of mercury is expanded to 50.0 cubic decimeters. The pressure of the gas changed to 765 millimeters of mercury. What is the temperature of the gas? ETEA 2013-98 med. A. 291 K, or 18 degrees Celsius. B. 242 K, or minus 31 degrees Celsius. C. 273 K, or 0 degrees Celsius. D. 298 K, or 25 degrees Celsius. 19. The ideal gas equation is PV equals nRT. The symbol N represents A. Number of moles. B. Number of molecules. C. Mass of the gas. D. Volume of the gas. Answers. 1. C. Both plasma and light. 2. A. Real gas. 3. B. Barometer. 4. D. CO. 5. D. All of the above. 6. A. 50. 7. A. Half. 8. B. Minus 40 degrees Celsius. 9. A. Gay-Lussac. 10. B. 1/2. 11. A. Diffusion. 12. B. Near the HCl bottle. 13. B. 14. B. Hydrogen. 15. C. 0.78. 16. B. 0.5 atmospheres. 17. C. The molecules of the gas collide continually with the walls of the container. 18. D. 298 K, or 25 degrees Celsius. 19. A. Number of moles.